Hey guys, this is Caribou5 here. Here we have a probably a 1986 to 87 Hoover Elite bagged vacuum. I picked this up a long time ago at Goodwill for 10 bucks. I haven't done a vacuum video since 2018 when I got my Bissell Power Groom Helix bagless rewind vacuum. And that was after I got rid of the Featherlight, the Dirt Devil Featherlight from 2002. The motor quit on that one. Yeah, it started making a loud noise, and it started to get louder and louder, so I just threw it away. Unfortunately, I liked it too, but anyway, I got this one. I got the Bissell Power Groom Helix, and I'm gonna probably be getting the newer Power Force that's out, the Power Force bagged. But yeah, this is a bagged vacuum. I got this at Goodwill a long time ago, and we're gonna give it a run. Just first I gotta plug it in, and I'm gonna pause the video real quick, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back, and I've got it plugged in, so here we go. Sorry about that. My camera, the autofocus screwed up. So, hope you enjoyed this video, and please comment, like, and subscribe. Bye-bye.